A business phone system is another way for your business to also stand out and to look like a professional business. This is how you get yourself registered in 411, the easy way, so that way you can actually do good local SEOing. So one of the systems that we use is RingCentral, and we have an AI communicator that works for us after hours. I'm going to show you everything that I put inside the AI bot so it can understand my business and answer the questions accordingly. Now, if I read a transcript and it didn't answer it properly, and then I will put that information in it to make the AI bot intelligent. I also have a soft user where I have someone that's working overseas for me during business hours that actually help me operate the business. So they actually handle the phone. So from the virtual assistant from Alliance that relay the phone over to my virtual assistants within the business, this is how I orchestrate the calls that come into the business. I use RingCentral, and I pay roughly about $150 a month is what I paid incorporated with everything. So let's go inside my actual account for the RingCentral. Let me show you the AI portion of it, the AI receptionist. So my AI receptionist is, of course, the fire alarm expert. So you can set up custom greetings, business hours, knowledge base, and this is where you can put all of the information to make your AI more intelligent or to give it information about your business so that way it can answer questions correctly. So I have blog links that it goes to, which it will go to this sheet right here, and these are the blogs that I actually write on my website. These are blogs coming straight from the website. So if you click on this sheet, it's going to take you straight to a blog that's right on my website. So it's getting all this detailed information. So if anyone uses any of these keywords, it would know what to say to look at that reference and try to give them the best answer possible. Also, a booking link I have set up in here. So that way, if it says, hey, would you like to set up a link with Anthony? And they say yes. So I give the AI the link to send to the person that wants to actually set up the booking. I give it the different pages of my website, like my government page. So that way, if any government clients call, they know the AI bot will have an understanding of what we do about fire alarm and all the different services that we provide. I also gave it some credit information because we also in the funding tools, we're going to help you boost your credit. We're going to help you also get business credit and understand this stuff and use other people's money. It's a game. And once we show you how to play this game, it's super repeatable. Essentially, I'm just giving it as much information about fire alarm systems, security systems, camera systems, all the products and services that I could think of that we actually provide. I'm giving that detailed information to the AI receptionist so that way it can handle calls accordingly. And inside the users tab, here's where you can set up different users for different phone extensions. I have two landlines, me and my wife. One landline is for me, which is the sales department, and the other landlines for her, which is the accountant department. I also have my accounts, but she does my books on a monthly basis, and then the accountants double check it, reconcile it, prove it, and say, yes, this is accurate. But when it comes to creating invoices and sending invoices out, finding out who didn't pay and things like that, this is what the wife do. So I assign these user roles for these different phone extensions, and my phones is actually in my office in Pearl River. So when I started out with Alliance, I had a virtual address of 1 Blue Hill Plaza. When I first went there, I said, oh no, I don't want this. I want an actual place here. Then I spoke to the lady there, canceled the contract with Alliance, but I kept the virtual assistant and I just got me a physical location right at the spot. So here are the phone numbers that we have. We have 3 phone numbers, and the main line is the 845-445-6446. That's when you call in securities. Not on the fire alarm blueprint side. That's a different phone number, but essentially it's still set up the same way. I'll show you that GrowthWorks application in a later video so that way you can see how I set up the fire alarm business blueprint, the funnel webs. But for now, this is the main line. So whoever calls this number, this will go to the Alliance. This is how Alliance will receive this call, and it will forward it to either this number or this number, but it will actually go to the 6224, and the 6224 is what's attached to my virtual assistant. Both these lines are attached to the virtual assistant, so the virtual assistant can help whomever is calling into the business, and if they can't help, they will either transfer it over to me or Michelle for further assistance, but more than likely, they're able to answer the call. So these are 3 numbers that we have for securities. One is sales and one is service, and it's the main line. So RingCentral is a place that we use to handle our business phone, and I suggest you use the same RingCentral. You can conduct meetings. Your AI bot could have a call history. You can check the transcript to find out what they're talking about, what the conversation was about, adjust it, make the AI a little bit more intelligent. It gives you all these detailed information. So RingCentral will be a place to start. This is nothing that you all have to do right away, but as you building your foundation, these are the steps that you're gonna need to take. All right, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.